This isn't a traffic stop.
You're about to go to jail.
I want your superior because you have no articulable suspicion of me committing any crime. I'm sitting here in a vehicle on private property. This isn't illegal detainment. You can't just pull up on me.
The driver was parked at a gas station on private property, having a conversation with his wife when the officer approached, claiming the driver had illegal equipment on his vehicle. Under Texas Transportation Code, Section 5, 21.025, a driver is only required to provide their license when operating a vehicle on public roads and being lawfully stopped. The officer lacked any evidence the driver had recently been on the roadway, relying solely on speculation to justify his approach. Despite this, the officer demanded identification, escalating the situation without cause.
What do you want?
You gotta get this stuff off this.
I'm on private property, man. What are you fucking harassing me for?
You got your back.
This isn't public property.
You need to write you a ticket for this stuff?
How are you going to? I'm on private property.
Because I can easily say that you came in off the street. I can pull the video to show you came in off the street.
Okay.
I don't need that. This was going to be a friendly. I was just going to give you a friendly.
So how are you trying to initiate a traffic stop when I am stopped at a gas station? You have no articulable suspicion of me even being on the roadway, bro. You're on some bullshit.
It'll make it happy. I'll wait till you pull it. I'll pull you out here on the street.
That's cool.
So
Good.
Do it right now. I can pull video to show you came in on.
Good. Do that.
But to make it easier, so I don't have to go through all that. I'll just wait.
That's because you got nothing better to do, huh? Watch this.
You're just gonna sit here and wait. Then we're doing it right here.
We're not doing anything.
Yeah, we are. Otherwise, I'll just tow you out of here. You're on private property. They don't want your vehicle sitting here.
Yeah, that's funny because have you asked them that? No, you're just making that shit up. I come here every day on my lunch break, so you're just on some bull. All you're doing is making shit up.
You told me you come here every day on your lunch break. Obviously, you came here on your lunch break. You got here by the highway. Give me a driver's license.
This is not a.
Give me a driver's
This
license.
isn't a traffic stop.
Order. You're about to go to jail.
I want your superior to come here then.
You're about to go to jail.
How? For what?
For bail to bail lawful order.
How is this a lawful order? That's what I want to know. How is this? How is this a lawful?
Right now.
For what?
Driver's license. Lights. Any auxiliary lights over 40.
So you come here to get gas. I'm sitting here minding my own business, having a conversation with my life. I haven't even got my lunch yet. I haven't even gone inside, and this is the kind of you're on.
Yeah. Honestly, this was going to be a friendly, just, hey, get the tip.
But it's not. You come pounding on my fucking window when I'm in the middle of a conversation.
I never pounded on your window. I knocked on your window because you were...
For what? For what? You have no reason to do any of this. Now, what I want you to get a superior here. I want you to get a superior here. How can you detain me for a traffic stop when I'm not in traffic? I'm sitting here on private property.
Because you're driving with illegal equipment on the highway.
You didn't see me drive anywhere.
Give me a driver's license.
You didn't see me drive. You're not going to get the footage from these people.
Yeah, I would.
No, so you would need to subpoena them.
No, I don't.
Okay.
We do it all the time.
You would need to subpoena them.
Give me a driver's license.
The officer claimed the driver needed to provide identification because he had allegedly driven with illegal equipment on public roads before parking at the gas station. However, under Fourth Amendment protections, officers must have reasonable suspicion of a crime or traffic violation to detain someone or demand identification. The driver repeatedly asserted he was on private property and had not been observed driving on public roads, yet the officer persisted, threatening arrest for failing to obey a lawful order that lacked any legal basis.
I want you to get like a sheriff or something here because this is you are so far beyond.
No, I'm not.
How so?
Give me a driver's license.
How do you? I will if you threaten to arrest me under the direct because you have no articulable suspicion of me committing any crime. I'm sitting here in a vehicle on private property.
Yeah, you're in a gas station. How'd you get here?
What?
You've been sitting here all night, all day?
Doesn't matter how I got here. You didn't see anything. You just come up to me banging on my window.
I didn't bang on your window.
So now that you've admitted that on camera, are you threatening to arrest me if I don't give you my ID?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Because by law, when you're being detained by a law enforcement
How are you?
officer,
This is an illegal detainment. This is an illegal detainment. You can't just pull up on me. I'm sitting at a private gas station. This dude doesn't even have emergency lights going on his vehicle or anything. This dude touching my truck. He doesn't even have emergency lights activated. Literally sitting at a holiday gas station, minding my own fucking business, and this cocksucker comes up out of nowhere.
Been easily solved by just rolling down your window and having a nice conversation with me.
Okay, so what you're saying is you did, hey asshole, so what you're saying, you did this because I didn't talk to you. Thank you for making sure I got that on camera too, you.
When the driver asked for a superior officer, the officer refused and continued threatening arrest unless identification was provided. The officer's actions violated constitutional protections as established in Terry v. Ohio, which requires specific and articulable facts to justify a detention. The driver recorded the interaction, capturing the officer admitting his frustration stemmed from the driver not engaging in a friendly conversation. This exposed the interaction as retaliatory rather than lawful enforcement, emphasizing the abuse of authority in the officer's conduct. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video. Click to watch now.